Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying hardware and access. Make sure the monitor and GPU actually support 640x480 and prepare a known good cable. Once done, boot into a recovery shell or a live USB so you can change display settings without a running GUI. Next, locate current video modes with system tools. On Linux, use FBset or xrandr. On Windows, check Device Manager and Safe Mode. You need driver files and firmware handy, because the next steps overwrite mode configuration. Now you change modes and drivers. Create a correct 640x480 model line and add it with xrandr, or edit the frame buffer settings for non-X systems. On Windows, use registry or safe mode driver updates. If drivers are mismatched, reinstall or roll back to a stable release and flash updated firmware only when supported. Then update boot time config, grub cmd line config, txt, or vendor boot entries so the kernel or firmware advertises that mode at init. Make sure to reboot between major changes. Finish by rebooting and confirming the display negotiated 640x480. Persist settings in system config files so they survive boot. If it still fails, gather diagnostics, dmesc and zorg logs on Linux, event viewer and driver logs on Windows to identify rejected modes or driver errors. Make one controlled rollback at a time. Try safe mode, connect a different GPU or monitor, or reset firmware vendor defaults. If one key tip, test with another known good display or cable first to rule out physical faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.